Hello, today's video is a video review for an AI writing program called WriteSonic. And this review today will involve about 3 demos showing you about it. We're going to go over a tour of the dashboard so you see what's involved with WriteSonic. I'm also going to cover the pricing for you later in the video. So hang tight. And there's also a bonus video that I've created that there'll be a link to it, talking about it later in the video about how you can integrate publishing content from this site to WordPress sites and other ways to share documents from this site that you're creating. We're going to look at demos for ChatGPT, for article writing, and through expressing and integrating as well. So that's today's video. Is going to be covering a video review for WriteSonic.ai. Okay, so let's look at the WriteSonic dashboard. We're going to look at the different types of writing that you can perform with this tool. First, we have all templates, and this it'll cover the new areas. New is ChatSonic. We'll go over that in a special section in the video. And then make your own AI. That'll be part of what I do when I show you how I create a paragraph or two or an article for my blog with this tool. So if we go back to all templates, we'll go down through. They've got them broken down nicely so you can follow. They've got AI Article Writer 4.0. They had a 3.0. They upped it from a 1,500 word to a 3,000 word for premium quality if you have the premium account. There's a paragraph writer. There's instant article writer. They have a section called ads and marketing. You have Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ad titles, Google ad descriptions. They have general writing, which is things we talked about already with ChatSonic, where you can have ChatSonic cover and research and create images and data and voice search for you for writing content that you want that matches up with what you're trying to write for in your blog. Then you have content extender, and we'll do some demos on a couple of these areas for you so you see what they look like and how they work. Company bios, content rephrase, the product descriptions, Amazon sponsored brand ads, Amazon product descriptions, Amazon product features. Those are all good if you're writing reviews for products for your blog, for reviews for products from Amazon specifically. Social media, if you need things written for there, you can write Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, Instagram captions, Twitter tweets, website copy, specific things such as call to actions, landing pages, feature to benefit, landing page headlines, and then other things. You can change the tone of your writing, make your own AI, which we covered. You can write song lyrics or text summary. And these are all the areas, different areas in the dashboard. We're going to do some demos on a couple areas next. So let's move on. Okay, so I just opened ChatSonic and I simply put improving chicken egg quality. And within a minute, the ChatSonic CS had written all this. Improving chicken egg quality is a task that can be accomplished with a few simple but effective strategies. And then it goes first, second, third, finally. That was pretty impressive. Let's try another how to make chicken eggs stronger. Let's do that, and that's going to be from our keywords here. We're going to do this. Now, evidently I get 98, 99 generations in the month. So we've used one already. So let's put this sentence in, and then we'll do this again right here, and hit enter. And there it goes, live. And you can see how quickly this is populating and writing. Now, obviously, you don't want to just simply copy and paste. You're going to want to check for originality, check some copyscape, check to make sure it's of the personality that you want. But you can see how quickly I'm going to enable, and you can reset the chat if you want, if you're not happy with it. It includes latest Google data. So that's ChatSonic from WriteSonic. I just wanted to show you a demo on that. Okay, so the pricing for WriteSonic is the following. There's a free trial. It doesn't cost you any money per month. You get 6,250 words per month. You get to only be one user. You can't add a team or whatever. There's a new feature called ChatSonic. You get 25 free generations every day. That's basically able to talk to and have this part of the AI program do work for you by chatting to it. It helps you use ChatGPT. It has 100 plus AI templates. You can do this in 25 languages, landing page generator, Zapier integration, one-click WordPress export, browser extensions, AI writer, and Google Docs and API access. The $19 a month, which is a cost you per month. If you go to annual, it'll be a lump sum you'll pay out, but you'll pay $12.67 per month for it. You're up to 47,500 words. Still only one user. You get everything that's here, and you get these additional things here. Complete article rewriter, research mode, which is coming soon, workflows coming soon. API access, we'll go over when we go over this. It's here, but there's also here, so there'll be a difference. Bulk processing, priority support, and then you can also have a custom plan, which you'll have to contact sales department to find out what you can do for how many users, what's going to cost you. Okay, that's it for the pricing. Let's move on. We're going to do the next two sections. We're going to cover the Writer 4.0 right here, the AI Writer 4.0, and then we're going to cover the Photosonic. That'll be the next two areas as we look at continuing my review for WriteSonic. Okay, we're back in WriteSonic, and I went to the dashboard, and there's new templates and new. Click on that, and we had these came up, but we're going to look at article and blogs. Now, AI Article 4.0 is recommended for writing an article. So let's click on that, and this is going to come up, and there's a nice video here that he gives the instructions on how to use this. So that's one thing that's good there. Topic, what I'm going to do is take improving chicken egg quality. I'm going to copy that. We're going to call our article that. And then if you need to search for keywords, or you can just put keywords in, is I already did my keyword research, and I put commas after each one of these. I'm going to copy these. I'm going to put these in here, and then we're going to click next. Now, notice up here is get ideas, get outline. Okay, what they want you to do is, now we got tone of voice, and then drop down here. This is encouraging, dramatic, witty, sarcastic, engaging, creative. I'm going to do engaging, first person, second person, third person. Let's do this. Then if I have call to action, if there's something else I want to promote in here, I could put that in here. We want it in English. We showed you before. It's like 24 languages. You can write it in. Now I'm going to bring this back here because I want improving chicken egg quality for my title here. Since it took us back to here, I got to fill this in again. So there's chicken egg quality, and we've got our keywords in here. We've got our tone of voice that we want in the second person, and let's put that back in the first person and English. So we're just going to generate ideas. Now we're at up here again, they're giving you some breadcrumbs to follow through as you generate. So we're going to generate some ideas. This is for titles. This is for a topic. How to get the freshest, highest quality chicken eggs. Step-by-step guide. I'm going to do this one. Now that's going to put that in here. And then we're at get an outline. So it's got those in there already. And we're going to generate an outline for this title that was generated. Now this did it all on its own. I haven't done anything. Now, here's individual outlines for the article. Why quality matters. Let's glance at this real quick. Okay. I think I like this one best, so we're going to click that. Now we're going to generate the article. This will be anything from like a 1,200 to a 2,000 word article that it's going to create on its own. Now I haven't I haven't created anything here except for my initial keyword list, and I'm letting the WriteSonic algorithm AI tool writer 4.0 create everything for us. Now this is still live. I haven't touched anything. Now this may take a couple minutes. What I will do is I'm going to pause this. Okay, this took about 2.5 minutes to create. Now it's 816 words and how to get the best egg quality. Now it actually included the image on its own because you can get it. They get free images from Pexels on Pixabay. You've got your editor here. You can go through and edit this, bold them, whatever you want to do. You can add other pictures if you want. This is the article. Now, what I'm going to be doing, this will tie in with my other video, is I'm going to go to my practice site that I created on a video last week. And then I'm going to show you how to do that. That'll be on another video. But just telling you, this article choice is a very nice tool to use. And you can see we're at this point here. Now, if we want to share our document, we can do that here. There's a public sharing. We can also now download it to Microsoft Word as a PDF, HTML, or we can export and publish to WordPress.com, which is, I probably wouldn't recommend doing that, but WordPress.org can do that. We need to set up integration for that, which is all fine and dandy. I'll have that on another video, how to set up integration for this. But as you can see, this is, I then now can take this and go in to the other areas here. There's paragraph writer. Let's say if I want to take a paragraph, I can take any one of these paragraphs that we just created and write them or rewrite them and then add them to the article. I mean, this has you covered in every way possible. And the thing is, a lot of the AI tools nowadays are adding the image area to your video as well. So that's making the tool even more valuable. Okay, so we're in WriteSonic and we're looking at the dashboard to show some of these areas. Let's click on the Photosonic for a demo. And they have here, you can try an example if you want. You can click on that, it loads in something, and then it says generate. Well, what I'm going to do is I made up my own example of what I wanted. Very detailed as well here. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to copy and paste it in here. And then we're going to generate, and we'll see what we get. I haven't used it, so I don't know what we're going to get. There we get kind of an abstract. It's not exactly... Let's take this out. Let's put in Toy Story. Let's generate. See if I get a change of style. And I took the word out too. Phrase about the clean home. I think probably more information is not good to a point. I think short, sweet would work better. Now I don't know if this is going to work. Oh, there it is. There. See, that's more in the style of Toy Story. Now, it's still not exactly what I was looking for, but just an example of what you can do in WriteSonic for creating images. Okay, so I just opened ChatSonic and I simply put improving chicken egg quality. And within a minute, the ChatSonic CS had written all this. Improving chicken egg quality is a task that can be accomplished with a few simple but effective strategies. And then it goes first, second, third, finally. So that was pretty impressive. Let's try another, how to make chicken eggs stronger. Let's do that. Okay, that's going to be from our keywords here. We're going to do this. Now, evidently I get 99 generations in the month. So we've used one already. So let's put this sentence in and then we'll do this again right here and hit enter. And there it goes, live. And you can see how quickly this is populating and writing. Now, obviously, you don't want to just simply copy and paste. You're going to want to check for originality, check some copyscape, check to make sure it's of the personality that you want. But you can see how quickly I'm going to enable, and you can reset the chat if you want, if you're not happy with it. It includes latest Google data. So that's ChatSonic from WriteSonic. I just wanted to show you a demo on that. So thanks for watching today. That's my video review for WriteSonic. I think you would find it valuable for the expense of around $13 a month to have this as a writing tool, an AI writing tool to help you with your blog and or creating images from the Photosonic. And there's also a ChatSonic where we're involving ChatGPT. I give this a 8 out of 10 for its flexibility and the wide open territory that it covers for writing and adding more content to your site, generating, helping with ads as well. So that's it for WriteSonic, 8 out of 10, today's video review. If you found that you got some value from this video today, please give me a thumbs up, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. We appreciate that. And also tap the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish another video to our channel that might help you with your making money online through affiliate marketing or another WordPress quick tips help video if you're involved with WordPress. Thanks for watching today. Take care. God bless.